Stand by now. Gates open, that up and racing. Stormtrooper from the outside, moving up by the rail. Make no mistake. Amazing pace in between runners, then running alongside is Red Hot Water. Swirl comes next, then by the rail dashing is sneaking in down on the inside. Magical Halo, Janelle's episode Hakuna Matata. Then running third last, Simple Beauty, Wheel of Fame second last, and trailing the group is Lord Gold. Heading towards the back, we have two runners fighting it out for the lead. Make no mistake by the rail. In between runners, amazing pace. Joining them, running on the outside. Catching the second spot is Red Hot Water. Magical Halo now in fourth. Moving up, Janelle's episode. Hakuna Matata, Swirl and Dashing. Past the last 800. Make no mistake. Hakuna Matata moving up in between runners, running on the outside. Red Hot Water, Magical Halo, Swirl now racing in fourth as they race to the last 450. Hakuna Matata, then running on the outside. Red Hot Water, Magical Halo, Swirl joining them as they swing for home. Hakuna Matata in between runners. Red Hot Water, Swirl is on the outside, and by the rail is Magical Halo with the last 150 more to run. Hakuna Matata running at the center. Magical Halo by the rail. Red Hot Water and Swirl is on the outside, but Hakuna Matata this time by about 3 lengths. And finally, Hakuna Matata close for second between Swirl and Red Hot Water. Another close finish between Stormtrooper number 3, Magical Halo, and Wheel of Fame.